Walking is a free and adaptable exercise option to improve fitness. If you're new to walking, start by gradually increasing your distance to improve endurance. Aim for at least 30 minutes of walking 3 to 5 days a week to gradually improve cardiovascular fitness. If outdoor walking isn't possible, use a treadmill or stationary bike indoors. Before starting, warm up with static and dynamic stretches. Incorporate a longer walk into your routine once a week, gradually increasing the distance over time. Maintain a brisk pace of about 3 miles per hour and use a step app or listen to music to help maintain the pace. Vary terrain and elevation to increase resistance and build stamina. Carrying weights while walking can also add resistance. Look for opportunities to incorporate walking into your daily routine, such as taking the stairs or walking to work. Use fitness apps to track your progress and set goals. Aim for at least 10 minutes of physical activity at a time to improve stamina. Use downtime for bodyweight exercises to stay active and improve cardiovascular endurance. Space out these exercises by at least 3 days. Gradually increase the reps to build strength.